Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Well, the grandkids are still here, so I guess I gotta feed them. And I sort of like them, so I'm gonna feed them right. Today we're gonna make some Pepsi-smoked wings. Now the first thing we need to do is to get together our dipping sauce. And that is gonna be some smoked garlic ranch. Let's make it happen. So, in a mason jar, you are going to add, now, I'm not gonna say the amounts out loud because there's a thing for that. It's called a recipe. I'll provide it to you. Down in the description section, you'll find a link. Take you to our webpage. It'll be right there. Nice, right? Okay, hey, into my jar goes buttermilk, sour cream. Yeah, see, I really like them. I'm not just giving them ranch out of a bottle. Mayo, Kewpie mayo, onion powder, fresh chopped chives, fresh chopped dill. And now, utilizing an immersion blender, we shall mix that all up. Oh, wait a second, I said smoked garlic ranch, didn't I? It's not the Galley of the Sun without a mess. In this aluminum foil packet, I have an entire bulb of garlic. Earlier today, I smoked it for 2 hours in my Yoder YS640S pellet grill at 180 degrees. Oh, but I was not done. Then I put it into my Ninja XL Smart Grill, and I roasted it for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Ah, roasted smoked garlic. We'll just squeeze the cloves in here, and we will add some fresh lemon juice. See, this is healthy. Now we will blend that all together. Give it a taste. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm going to chuck that in the fridge and let that set until it's time to use it. Next, we will make the sauce for the wings, right when we come back. Now we shall get our sauce together. First component, butter. Since again, I'm fond of these grandkids, I'm using the Kerry Gold stuff. Oh yeah. Medium heat. Once the butter's melted, in goes your soy sauce. And then these are Pepsi smoked wings. And again, because I love my grandkids, I've got real sugar Pepsi, the good stuff. W sauce. Garlic. Olive oil. It's supposed to be chives, but I just used all my chives in the dressing, so I'm going to use minced onions and substitute. Salt. And 3 dried chilies. Mulatto, that is our favorite dried chili. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then I'm going to lower the heat because I don't want to lose it all over the stove, and it's going to be sticky. Then I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, take it off the heat, and then it's time to go outside and get the grill going. We'll see you out there. So you saw me light the fire, got a full chimney here full of briquettes. It's been sitting for about 15 minutes, good to go. Now we're gonna get it into the vortex. Sounds mysterious, but it's not. Now the grill grate goes back on. I've verified that the lower vents are fully open. The upper vents are fully open. Now we're going to let this warm up for about 10 minutes. After that, time to put on the food. Our Weber kettle has been heating up for 10 minutes. Now it's almost showtime. First of all, some spray, because we don't want stickage. Now on with our wings. We're going to line them around the perimeter of the grill, and because of that vortex, because of the vents being open, this thing is basically a 464-degree Fahrenheit air fryer with smoke. Smoke. Wait one. To impart a little bit more flavor, I'm going to use some pecan chips. Put that on the fire. Give us a little pecan flavor. Now on go our wings. I probably should have waited to do that. It's mighty warm right now. All right, I have reached max wing capacity. On goes the lid. Now, because that heat's going to be drawing out these vents, it's going to create a hot spot. So every 10 minutes, I'm going to rotate this. Yeah, I'm sweating. So in 35 minutes, we'll be ready for the next step. We'll see you then. We're approaching the 35-minute point of these wings being on the smoker. I've done a couple things to promote crispy skin. So I didn't mention before, but about 30 minutes before I put those wings on the smoker, I set them out and I seasoned them. We used one of our favorite rubs, John Henry's Mojave garlic pepper on them, which has salt in it. That salt's going to draw out the liquid of the skin, promoting crispy skin. Now, at the 35-minute point, we're going to do another thing to help promote that crispy skin. What I have here is one of my favorite products, duck fat. We're going to spray those puppies down. All right, that's all they need. Lid's back on. Still remembering to shift this every 10 minutes to even out the hot spots. We'll see you again in 5 minutes when it's time for the next step. 5 minutes has elapsed. Now we're going to flip those wings and spray the other side. They are looking absolutely beautiful. Flip achieved. Duck fat. Lid goes back on and we're going to give them another 5 minutes. We're approaching the 40-minute stage of the cook. That sauce we made earlier is in this bowl. Now we're going to take the wings off the grill, get them in this bowl and get them soused. Now I don't trust my spastic gyrations to be able to toss these wings in this sauce, so I chose to use a bowl with a lid. Now, we're going to get those wings sauced. All right, they're sauced. Now they're going back on the grill for 10 minutes to let that tack up. Then we'll bring our judges out here and find out, are these worth a damn or not? We'll see you then. All right, the cook is done. What we've done today for you, loyal viewers, is bring in 3 experts from the Poultry Institute of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I bring you Evelyn, Ryland, and Belle, our chicken experts. They're going to tell us what the cluck. You got your smoked garlic ranch dip there to try it in. Let's hear how we did. All righty.
I like a lot.
Okay. What say you, Belana?
It's good.
Okay. Ryland?
The ranch is really good.
Uh-huh. What do you think about the wing?
The wing is good, grilled perfectly.
Is the skin rubbery or?
Not really.
Okay, good. There you go. Hey, if you look on the internet, people are asking all the time, how do I smoke wings and get my skin crispy? This is how you do it. All right. Thank you so much, judges. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.